Hey, what's going on, Freedomers? So success is also about like learning what to release, learning what to let go of. And I think for the next, couple days for my birthday, I really have to focus on releasing and letting go of. And that's why like forgiveness has been a huge sign in my life right now. I don't have I speak what I want into existence. Or what I desire. It can be like want is lack. I have this the one thing I'm learning from the one thing I'm learning the most as far as success is going the extra mile for myself. Going the extra mile for myself means you have to know the difference. Is when you go the extra mile for yourself, you know the difference between those who doing the work and those who are not doing the work. One is like I learned from Dallas Want Me, the book. I'm in going to the extra mile for yourself. You have to end the relationship of lack by any means. It warps the perception of everything. Go to bit.ly/your free consultation to learn how to make money. Peace.